Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello, hi, and namaste. Today I'm going to tell you a story that's going to be super relatable for most of you. So, while you were going from school to college, you were trying to tell the college as to why you're the best candidate to choose. And while you were going from college to doing a job, you were trying to convince the HR or the management and telling them as to why you're the best candidate, which means you have been marketing your skills or services. Now, let's take another example. You go to these malls and shopping marts and you select a couple of product or services over other products or services. Why so? Because your favorite brands have an amazing marketing strategy. So, in your entire life, you have either marketed yourself or you have been marketed to. And that's why it's important to learn about marketing because it's imperative. So you can be a lawyer, engineer, doctor, architect, or anybody. But to know how to market can give you an added advantage or leverage in your own domain, industry, or profession. And that's why I have come up with Unacademy with a series of videos wherein I'll be taking you behind the scenes of launching a perfect marketing campaign or building your personal brand. But why me? Well, let me introduce myself. I am Unnati Bagga and I'm an organic growth specialist. I have worked with close to 100 plus brands and personal brands to bring their story out in the market and generate leads, get investment opportunities, and whatnot. And let me tell you a secret, all this without a marketing degree and just by my personal brand and skill set. I've made a career out of marketing. So, yes, I'm going to give you real life marketing examples, actionable tips and tricks, and all my experience to teach you how marketing and personal branding is done. So, join me in this journey, and I'll see you in the first lesson.